divide 756 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 6, so we put down this 5 and it is 15. 6 times 2 is 12. On subtracting, we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 6, so we put down this 6 and it is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. On subtracting, we get 0. So 756 divided by 6 is 126. So this much for today and thanks for watching.